from Duncan Village. She was born here in Duncan Village, and then she won Miss Black South Africa. Miss Black, Miss South Africa, Eastern Cape, and then with all the girls around the country, Bayogadarisha came to enter Miss Black South Africa. Remember at the time, competition she won Miss Black South Africa, and then she left the country in 1959 with Miriam Makeba or Dorothy Masuku nabanye behamba King Kong.
Okay.
Then when others were decided to come back, she decided not to leave the UK. She remained there and started acting in movies. There are movies that are actor also.
Wow.
Her family is in Soweto, because what happened is that umama then she bought a house in Soweto. One of the beautiful stories I heard when I went there, which was, there's that book, Mandela, like The Long Walk to Freedom. You will find a page where Mandela article, when Amabule looking for me, I was in a house, it's now in Soweto, that he was in Soweto. You know, most directly, it's the same house, Cafe Hazelfoot.
Wow.
Hazelfoot, I was close to Gibson Kente. So, Gibson Kente, what about Mandela is in trouble? I was in Elisa, Ulo Hazelfoot, and Snawa.
Wow.
You find that information there. Even there is also a book along by Black Perspective. She talks about this lady. And when South Africans are discussing who's the first, I'm like, hey guys, you don't do research, because I know Cynthia Shange Rachel is the first Black Miss South Africa in 1972. It shows that the person who announced that didn't make research like that, because Tina will talk of Miss South Africa in 1955, all the way from Duncan Village.
Uzoze uyithatha apha. Ndithi uzoze uyithatha